Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to reset the oil life indicator on the 2004 to 2025 GMC Canyon. It's a quick and easy process that ensures your maintenance reminders are up to date. So, let's get started. If you own an older GMC Canyon, you can possibly reset the oil life in two methods. Let me show you the pedal method first. Step 1. Turn the key on without the engine running. Step 2. Depress and release the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, and you'll hear the 3 beeps. After that, you can shut the key off and then start the engine, so your oil light should be reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. Alright, the second method is to use the trip button on the cluster display to reset the oil life indicator on a GMC Canyon. So here's the way to do it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the trip button briefly until you see oil life on the display. Step 3. Press and hold the trip button for a few seconds till you hear the 3 beeps and you're done. There are 2 ways to reset the second generation GMC Canyon, and it depends on your vehicle trim level. In this section, I'll show you how to reset it in the up-level display. So let's get to work. Step 1. Start your car. Step 2. Press the left navigation button to access the cluster applications. Step 3. Highlight the info page and press the check button to select. Step 4. Scroll down to the remaining oil life menu. Step 5. Press and hold the check button until the oil life display changes to 100% and you're good to go. Next, for the base level model, the oil life system can also be reset as follows. Step 1. Turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the menu button on the turn signal lever repeatedly until you get to the vehicle tab menu. Step 3. Use the thumb wheel to scroll down to the remaining oil life. Step 4. Press the set button to open the reset menu. Step 5. Highlight yes and finally press the set button to confirm the oil life reset. On the latest generation GMC Canyon, you can reset the oil life using the center touchscreen. So here's what we're gonna do. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Tap on Home to get the main menu. Step 3. Find and tap the vehicle info menu. Step 4. Select on Fluid and Filter menu. Step 5. Tap on Oil Life. Step 6. Tap on Reset. Step 7. Select Reset again to confirm and the percentage will change to 100%. So that's it from me for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tutorials. Drive safe and see you next time.